This is debatably the best clone for YSLY EDP. This is Shaikh Shuyuk Final Edition by Latafa. The name is okay. I just call it Final Edition. So, in my opinion, this is better than the other YSLY clones. So, I have Latafa Fakar. I also have Latafa Fakar is suited for younger ages. This, in my opinion, is suited for ages 20 and up. And it's just my personal preference. I think the performance of this on me is better compared with the performance of Latafa Fakar and the performance of I'm not saying that those two other clones are not performing well. Those two perfumes, or and Fakar, are good perfumes on their own, but just my personal preference, I like this better than those two. This stays around 6 to 7 hours. On clothes, it stays longer. The projection is good. It projects 2 to 3 hours with a good scent bubble, which around 1 to 1.5 meters. It leaves a good scent trail, similar with the OG. I appreciate the scent more after 20 to 30 minutes of initial spray. People appreciate it more when they smell it in the air compared with smelling it directly on the skin. Similar with other clone perfumes, smelling it directly on the skin, you get that synthetic vibe. It's better to smell this in the air, or to smell this from someone. Like my personal experience is when other people around me smells this on me, they always say that I smell good, and it never fails to have the comparison with the OG, the YSLY EDP. This, in my opinion, is less sweeter than the OG. With the YSLY, I get that stronger smell. I mean, the performance is better, but comes with it is sweeter scent, especially on the initial spray. But aside from that, the comparison is really there. You get the differences, but you also notice the similarities with the OG. When it comes to the price, here in the Philippines, you can buy this for around 20, 21 or 22 US dollars for 100 ml. It's 5 times cheaper than the OG YSLY. When can you wear it? Similar with the OG, you can wear it anytime, anywhere. You can use it for formal events. You can use it when you go to the mall. You can use it when you go to the church. Generally, the scent DNA is likable. It's mass appealing. Although I always say that the sense of smell is very subjective. So it depends on you. It depends on the people around you if they can appreciate it. But again, generally, this type of scent is likable by most people. Again, when can you wear it? You can wear this in the morning or in the evening. You can wear this on warm weathers, or when it's raining, or during the cold months. We don't have winter here in the Philippines, but it gets cold during Christmas season, or January and February. I picture myself using this during those colder nights. Similar with the OG, girls like the scent DNA. How many sprays should you use? It depends. I'm an oversprayer, but I always consider where I will go. Like for example, I'll go to somewhere in a closed room, so I don't suggest you spraying a lot when going to such events, because the tendency is you will drown the people around you with the smell. So instead of them appreciating the scent, they'll say that you stink, even if in reality it smells good. But too much scent of something always leaves negative comments from people around. So for example, you're going to the mall, it's okay to overspray. For me, it's a safe scent to overspray. And considering the price, with similar scent with YSLY, there's always that temptation to spray a lot, because you yourself will enjoy the scent. People around you giving compliment about the scent is just a bonus. If you like the scent DNA of the OG YSLY, you will definitely like this. Is it worth buying? Definitely yes, if you like the type of scent that the YSLY gives. Please let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thank you.